Hello, good evening, audience, and good evening, Fatima. I am Kutsia. We have met before. I am interviewing you for the first time, so bear with me. Uh, Fatima is an amazing coach. She has been doing this digital marketing business for 2+ years, an amazing mom for two kids. And I am here to talk to her about the digital marketing business and how this goes. How can this help a lot of people as a side income, or just to help benefit with the financial part of it, as well as a business entrepreneur. So I'm here to talk to Fatima about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the this was my small introduction about her, and I'm gonna get Fatima to talk more about the whole thing. So Fatima, go ahead and take it over, please.
Okay, thank you so much, Kutsia, for having me. So, hello everyone. This is Fatima Heather. As Kutsia mentioned, I'm a mom of two, and I live in California, Los Angeles. I've been here since 2012, so it's been 12 years now. I'm here, and since last 2.5 years, I've been in this business. First as a mentor, and now a business coach as well. By education, I did my master's in biochemistry in the year 2012 before I came here, and didn't get a chance to pursue my career. So I've always been a stay-at-home mom, and before being a mom, I had a very brief time in customer service. I came here and I was not able to understand anything, how things work in the system here. It was a completely different place for me. So just to get that kickstart, I worked in customer service, and I was on my way to find myself in a better career, and then just landed up being a mother, and then decided to take a break. And that break never ended until I got this opportunity of an online digital business system, and I started it, and it was a very good decision at my part, alhamdulillah. So that's about it from me, as far as my introduction is concerned. Thank you, Kutsia.
You're welcome, Fatima.
Mm-hmm.
Your next question would be, what is this digital business? What is it about? If you could give us some information, that'd be really great.
Sure. So this is what we call digital marketing business. It is a business based on digital marketing, or you can say social media marketing. And the term digital, we use it because we use the internet to run this business. We don't have a physical location. We use the internet system. That is why it is called digital. And we do the marketing part here. Our key role here is to do the marketing part of this particular work from home business system. We are connected with a platform in which there are some affiliate companies, and through these companies we get paid. But our key role here again is to do the marketing part, that how this business is working for us and everything. And in order to do the marketing, how do we do that, how do we learn that? We have a set of tools and training systems provided by our platform. These resources, these training systems, these tools, they help us in order to run a successful business. We use all these resources, all the tools and trainings provided to us, and we apply them in the business system, and we run the business efficiently. Again, our key role here is the marketing, and the rest of it is taken care by the automation. When you do your marketing part, the automation in the back end, it is kind of activated, and it take cares of the rest along with the income. So this
Perfect.
is a summarized definition.
Thank you so much, Fatima. Share your personal experience and your growth with this particular business, please,
Whoa, this would be a very detailed answer.
as best as
Okay.
you can. Summarize it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So I started in April 2022,
Mhm.
and at that time I was pretty confused because my education is from the healthcare field. I graduated in biochemistry, and I was the person for whom the terms business, marketing, those were kind of boring. I never really paid attention to these words. I believe you are also from healthcare, so
Yes,
yeah, so
I'm a
you can
dentist, been
imagine. Yeah,
practicing for almost 16 years now. Getting
wow.
tired of it. Yes.
Okay, but I mean, since being from a healthcare profession, you can understand that how these terms are like alien terms for us.
That is very
Do
true.
not really pay attention to these terms. So for me, it was kind of scary in the beginning, but I was actually really because of my circumstances, I was really forced to think unconventionally. I was like, okay, I've been waiting for the right time to jump into my own career, and it's been 10 years. I'm not able to do that. So how
Yeah.
long I'm gonna take? And at that time, when I decided, or when I was looking into this particular business model, my baby was 8 months old. So
Oh,
I knew that I at least need 5 more years to, go to my professional field. And even that, I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not, because you can understand, being from healthcare profession, that how many hours it can take.
for sure. Yes.
If I
It's
decide
a
to work
commitment.
in a hospital or in a lab, sometimes the tests take as good as 12 hours, and you have to be there. So if I'll be, spending 12 to 14 hours of my whole day absent from my home, what kind of impact is it's going to create on my kids? And I was not ready for it. So I was like, okay, if I get a good opportunity, maybe when my kids are all grown up, I'm going to think about it. But right now I have to find another means of income. And since it was clearly mentioned time and again that you don't need to have any prior experience, you will be provided with all the training, a mentor and a coach. To be honest, the two things that really motivated me to go for it was uh, no prior experience, because I was trying for jobs, like a lot of jobs, before I came across this system. And I was rejected because I had little prior experience. They had much better candidates than me. And the other thing was, somehow, that feeling that you will have your own personal mentor, you will have someone to guide you through the process along with all the resources. It kind of made me satisfied that, okay, I'll be having someone by my side who will understand my struggle, because obviously they have been also been a part of that struggle, just like me. In the beginning I was struggling, and I remember my coach used to say that, hey, I've been there, I've been at your place, so I know what you must be thinking. So don't worry about it. You will be through. Those were the things that really moved me to get into the system. And as far as my personal growth is concerned, that was the thing that first took place, because initially I was trying to, jump through the hoops. I was so eager to make money that I didn't allow myself to, look at the other way. And that was my biggest mistake. And the day I realized that once I'll be okay in my personal growth, the financial growth will follow.
Follow. Yes.
That was the first thing I learned. And well, it did happen, like somehow, between all those positive and negative moments, the moments of positivity and then the moments of doubt, somehow this happened. Somehow my personal growth happened. Initially I remember I was not able to answer all of those questions clearly which people used to ask me. And then somehow, correcting my mistakes and everything, and consistently being with my coach and watching masterminds and everything, somehow I corrected my mistakes, and I was able to give a good answer to the people, the answer which was easily understood by the people. And I remember one of my who is now my mentees, and at that time she was just a person who was inquiring. She was amazed by the fact that I have all the answers. That was the moment I realized that, hey, I think this was the thing I'm missing. And I remember, right, uh, during that time, during that month, it was the month of December 2022, when I realized that I have gained some personal growth. And that was the same month I I achieved my first milestone. That was the hardest milestone. And that was the time I realized that, yeah, my personal growth happened, and then obviously the financial growth, it followed.
Followed with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
That's
over
awesome.
the period of time, I have gained a lot of confidence in myself. I was not the one who had, worked that much in my life. I really had doubts on myself that whether I'll be able to make money or not. But Alhamdulillah, I've been making money since last 2 years. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah,
Mashallah.
and yeah, I mean that was the part in me which was not sure that I'll be able to make money because I hadn't worked that much. I haven't, contributed financially. So it was a big deal for me as a person. People who are
That's
already working, they might not see it, but the stay at home mothers like me, housewives like me, they can understand that what it means to earn your own money.
I hats off to you because I understand starting with my own business like that was 2010. So I've been in business by myself 14 years.
Wow.
So I get that. The first month, second month, you're like, what on earth was I doing? Why am I doing this? Why
I
did I
know.
put myself
I
into
know.
that situation?
A
But
lot
once
of self
you
doubt moments, yes.
yes,
A
but
lot of self doubt moments, but obviously, the person I was actually, it made me realize that if I just, continue focusing on my personal growth, my financial growth will follow. I
go for it.
stopped it might seem weird, but I stopped focusing on my financial growth. I started to focus on my personal growth because I knew that this will follow. I don't have to worry about it. So I just focus on making myself better and better and better, taking more leadership responsibilities, presenting in the meetings and everything, even before I was eligible. So that made me realize that if I just take charge, if I just, do the maximum I can, if I just follow the process, the income will follow as well. That was the biggest lesson that I had. This year I was able to take a very long vacation back home. I was with my parents from March to July, approximately 4 months. I was
Wow.
there. I was running my business, like giving again a few hours a day. And sometimes I just need to completely, I just used to completely skip it. And still,
I'm glad you
my
did it.
husband was receiving my paychecks here. So
That's good.
I mean, it didn't happen overnight. Like if someone will start a business and after 2 weeks they're going to go back home, enjoy their vacations, obviously this is not going to happen. I worked on my business to that point where it can generate income while I'm not around.
It's your continued effort in it. You have
Exactly.
to put your effort in it.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes,
And even then when I was there, yes, I took a few weeks break, but still I did my part.
you have
I
to. Yes.
definitely did. I definitely did my part, and that was the reason the income was continuously coming in. And then just after 3 months, we as a family went to another vacation back in last week of September, and now
Oh,
planning another vacation as well for the
oh,
winter.
that's awesome. That's
Yeah, and
awesome.
we are not a family who goes to vacations that often, so it's a big deal for us because now, Alhamdulillah, the affordability situation has changed. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah,
That's
and
awesome.
obviously these things happen when you continue to focus on your personal growth. This is what my moral of the story has been in my journey.
And I think that's a great moral of the story there, because
Hmm.
we all have to put our effort no matter what. Once you have that personal growth, everything else will follow.
Everything
If
else
you
will
know what you're doing, it'll all come together at the end of the day.
definitely,
That's
definitely.
good. That's
Hmm.
good. So thank you for that. Next question would be to tell us the difference between what this digital business and the conventional, like, brick and mortar kind of business. What's the difference between it? I mean, a few pointers would be great.
Okay, so I can try and draw a contrast between the two. Just a few points. In a traditional business, you need an ongoing source of money to put in, and obviously, you need to be there.
Mm-hmm.
The maximum number of hours you can put in. Like, for example, if you are in a restaurant type of business, you are opening a small restaurant or a cafe, you will need thousands and thousands of dollars. You will need to have a space, doesn't matter rented or on lease. Then obviously you'll need to have people to work for you. You cannot, it cannot be a one man show. Then you have to go for ingredients, and then you have to go for the utensils, and then you have to prepare a menu. Like there is a list that we can, count on. Okay, okay, these are the things that are needed for a particular business. And obviously, the magnitude of work, the number of hours you need to put in Monday through Sunday, 10 to 12 hours a day. So this is, I would say, the biggest part of a conventional business. Whereas in a digital business, you don't need to have any particular place or a particular spot where you have to work. No, it's like, not it's not location bound. You can work using your laptop or your cell phone, and that could be anywhere if you have a good internet. First simple thing. Another thing is that you don't need to have an army. In your case, your army would be your mentor and coaches. The community support we have, that is your army, and that is already there in place for you. You don't have to build it for yourself. Again, another pointer: in a conventional business, you need to do your trial and error in order to understand what is working for you and what is not working for you. In this digital business setup, since you have that community, a lot of people have done a lot of trial and error for you already. And all you need to do is look what else can work for you, and what else you shouldn't even bother to try, because it has already been taken care of and you don't need to waste your time there. And I mean, I would say the magnitude is the biggest part. I would say the turn off point for me in a particular business. And in obviously in a conventional brick and mortar business, I would say that you constantly need to put in that time, those 10 to 12 hours or 14 hours. You cannot create it as a source of your passive income. In this digital business model, eventually you will have your source of active as well as passive income. And again, the magnitude of work, the number of hours you need to put in, it will be a lot less than a conventional business.
That
you
is
are
very
you are a dentist right now. You have long working hours, but still you can manage to set aside few hours every day and work on your business. But if it would have been a conventional business, I don't think that you will even consider to start anything new, because you already have a busy schedule. This
that is
particular business system is smartly designed so that you don't have to spare a whole night, or just take it as another full-time job. It's not like that. It's like just a few hours a day. You just need to be you just need to stay connected. You just need to plug in the system regularly.
that's correct. It's work smart, not hard.
It is work hard. I wouldn't say it's not work
Yeah, not
hard,
hard. Yeah, I
but it's
understand.
not. Do the hard working, but do it smartly.
Smartly, yes, there
Stay
you go.
fun.
That's correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for that answer. Um,
Mhm.
a quick question about how to join this business. What are the steps we have to take, or someone has to take to join this business?
Okay, so the first step, obviously, if you are in connection with Futsia, you can send her a message, or if you're in connection with me, you can send me a message. The first step is to register on our website with your name and emails. Okay, simple free registration, nothing else to worry about. When you will do it, you will get access to our free business workshop, in which we have provided you an outline how this whole system works. And then what we can do for you is we can offer you access to our private access group, sorry, private Facebook group. It's a free access group, so again, you don't have to worry about any payments or everything. You can go ahead and take access of that private group. You will be able to see people's income, which we are making in this particular business. You will be able to see some very informative videos regarding the business, and you will be able to decide whether you want to get to the next step or not. The next step is taking the 30-day trial program. This 30-day trial program has a one-time registration fee of $149 USD, and that too is also refundable in 30 days. That is why it is called a 30-day trial program. When you step in the 30-day trial program, you get the access to our complete business system. Again, the free information will give you an outline, but when you will get yourself registered in the trial period, um, uh, you will be able to get the full access: the companies we are affiliated with, the product line, the investment options, the income structure, and how we make money without doing the selling part. All of these dots are connected in the 30-day trial program. You can watch the like get those you get those things in the form of a video. Like these are called pre-coaching videos, which has a total duration of 3 hours. You can watch those videos once, twice, thrice, and then you'll be able to decide whether this business is for you or not. If it's not for you, you can ask for the refund, and 100% of your money will be refunded. And if you would like to take the next step, you can go ahead, book the strategy call with a strategist or a coach, and you can get started, where we will start with your official paperwork, and
Perfect.
you'll be in the business. Like, this is the pathway.
Okay, sounds good. Any last piece of advice for people who are interested in the business, who are like thinking still, but they haven't completely stepped into the program? Any advice would be great.
Okay, I would say there is no harm in getting to the next step. There is no harm in taking the trial, because again, the trial is, I'd say it is as good as free. Yes, you pay, definitely you will pay, and you will get access to the information. But if you feel that this is not for you, you can take your whole money back. You don't have to, lose the money. You will learn something in return, definitely. You will be able to learn whether it's for you or not. But again, I would say it's a risk free step. And the fence sitters who are, watching us, who are seeing but not taking action, I don't think that just by sitting there, just by looking at us, the situation will change. I was also a fence sitter, but my situation didn't change unless I took action.
Hmm.
So, again, taking action will lead you to somewhere. If not, you will be stuck at the point where you are stuck right now. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate your time, Fatima, and this
No
interview
problem.
was amazing. Really, hopefully, this will, influence someone to take the right step towards this program.
Inshallah.
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 Thank you again.
Mhm.
I really appreciate your time. Take care,
Mhm.
Fatima.
Mhm. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.